Good morning, everybody. It's just before 8 in the morning. I'm doing my morning market routine, and I got some emails and some questions about a video I did last week on stock symbol AMD. It was a tremendous forecast from VantagePoint. Customers who bought VantagePoint were able to literally recoup the cost of the software several times over just from this one trade. And so for those of you who haven't yet become customers, I'm going to walk you through exactly how VantagePoint made this forecast and how you could have had the confidence and the ability to ride this trend in its entirety and profit from it. So let's flip over to my charts. All right, we're now looking at AMD, a technology stock that VantagePoint forecasts for. It's been a very accurate forecast going all the way back to April. This is when we first got that indication that this stock was going to go up, and look at it. Oh my gosh, what a tremendous opportunity. We've literally had customers who've recouped the cost of VantagePoint multiple times over just in this one stock. But let me walk you through exactly what's happened since April. So we had this crossover to the upside where the patented leading indicator, the predicted moving average, crossed above the actual. When you have that blue line crossing above the black line, that's your indication this trend's going to go up. You got a confirmation with your neural index. It's also a patented artificial intelligence based indicator. It went green, also indicating that this stock was going to go up. When you get two separate indicators both coming together and confirming that this stock is going to go up, you've got a really great opportunity to profit. And VantagePoint told you that this stock was going to go up, and there were periods of time where maybe it looked like it wasn't going to, like here, or maybe even here. But VantagePoint was able to tell you what the true trend direction was, and it wasn't until this point right here that VantagePoint said, yeah, this stock's going to go sideways, maybe go down a little bit. This would be a great time to take your profits and wait for a new forecast that this trend is going to really take off again. And that's exactly what happened. So you got that forecast about a week or so later right here. Blue line went above the black line again. Neural index went from red to green. Again, two indicators coming together telling you this trend's going to go up. And that's exactly what happened again. So, if I just walk you through this, you can see that from the point in time that VantagePoint forecasted this stock to go up, the first time, the point in time when the VantagePoint forecasted this stock to go up, the second time, it's about 100 days or so, 100 trading days. And I'll go ahead and calculate this for you. So the first 50 days, it went up over 63%. You'd be pretty happy with that, right? The second indication from VantagePoint was another 48 days, and it went up over 100%. So we're talking, this is almost 170% that this stock has gone up since VantagePoint first forecasted the stock to go up. And, let me just pull the calculator over here for you. If you do the math, okay, if you look and say, okay, in this first opportunity, I could have made $6.35. And the second opportunity, I could have made another $16.40. That's over $22 that you could have made in this particular stock. And if you look at what the stock was trading at back in April, so here's April, look at this. This stock was only about $10 a share. Very reasonable that you probably could have had, let's say, 1,000 shares, maybe even more, but let's just be conservative, say 1,000 shares. That's over $22,000 in profit in this one stock. This paid for the software over and over. This is how easy it is. Now, how did we find this stock? How did we know this forecast was going to be here? We have a scanning feature in VantagePoint. It's going to find these opportunities for you in seconds. And that's the beautiful thing about VantagePoint. You're going to spend 10 to 15 minutes each evening. It's going to identify opportunities like this, and the way you can identify the trades and when you should get in, when you should get out, it's very simple. I just did it for you. You're looking for these crossovers. You're looking for the confirmation. That's how easy it is. So if you haven't joined us, if you haven't become a VantagePoint customer yet, take action today. Let us help you. We'll customize a package. We'll hold your hand. We will be there to ensure your success, because our success is your success and vice versa. Next year's our 40th year anniversary. We've been empowering traders for decades, and we're going to do the same for you. Look forward to welcoming you on board, and I'll see you on the other side.